Welcome back, everybody. What do we have here? It's gonna be windy. What do we have coming out of the trailer for me? What is it? So this isn't what's being delivered. What's being delivered to me. Look at this beauty queen. Look at that. So yeah, we're in the cloudy San Antonio right now, and I'll be moving down here next week, but I had to get the spider delivered. So that's what we're doing today, but they had to drop off this Porsche first. A beautiful car. I think it's one of 4. So, all right, I'll let everybody go. Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to get my hair cut. So as this thing's telling me where to go, and I've never been there before, and I'm just new into Texas, this should be fun. So what have I been doing with myself? Well, trying not to get myself run over. So this road's junk, dude. All these roads in Texas just kind of suck. Well, the ones I've been on anyway. I need to be careful coming through here because I will bottom the spider out. I get why the Mustang almost stopped, but man, just jump in the next lane where the road's not bad. Don't go through the bad part. So what have I been doing with myself since I haven't been uploading a lot? So I haven't been riding as much. I've been flying to San Antonio, and hey, look, it's cloudy today. It kind of reminds me of Ohio, but it's 70-some degrees. It's February. I love it. February 15th? February 15th, day after Valentine's Day. So I'm going to throw in a whole bunch of little videos in this video. So what have I been doing with myself? Well, after 28 years of marriage, I did whatever it took to get myself as healthy as possible, as fast as I could. I've been walking. I walk 4 miles a day, a mile at lunch, and then I do a couple miles after work. And you know, it's been good. My fiance, and you're gonna see videos. First thing we did, you know, we went on a date. That was exciting. I'm not gonna lie. We went to the zoo in Columbus, Ohio. She was up because that's where her family is from. So we went out on a date. I'll put in some video now. Welcome back, everybody. We are here at the Zoo Lights, and this is Debbie.
Hello.
And I will go ahead and switch this camera around. This is absolutely gorgeous. So when I say the Zoo Lights, we're up in Columbus, Ohio. And just a quick little look, because I want to get back to my date. And you guys come check this out whenever you're in Columbus. we stopping so short? Yeah, we stopped really short on that one. So I'll put in some video of that. And then, you know, I flew back down here, and my fiance, for her rest and relaxation, not rest, but for her peace of mind, she does a lot of 5 and 10Ks now. In August, I could not walk a quarter mile. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I've worked really hard. I'm down 75 pounds, and I am doing 5Ks with her now. I am not running. I am walking. But yeah, I was down in San Antonio. It was before Christmas. It was. I got back home on Christmas Eve, I do believe. So I got some video of me doing a walk in downtown on the river walk, which was really, really cool. So we'll put that video in. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. I am in San Antonio. I don't know what today is. Tuesday. And I'm walking my first 5K. And I'll show you what it looks like. And hopefully the audio is picking up. I have earbuds in, and I don't know if it'll pick up from the earbuds. But we're in downtown San Antonio, down here with Debbie. I can't run, so she's running and I am walking. And it looks like I might be doing some spider rides from down here, which would be wicked. So I'm gonna let everybody go. Wish me luck. Welcome back, everybody. Just did the 2 miles, and we're down on the river walk now. So it's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So 2 miles is usually my limit. We'll see what happens. I have another 1.1 miles. Wish me luck. All right, everybody. Coming up on the finish line. This is going to be the longest walk I've done in years. So Debbie came back to find me, make sure I'm good. Whew. Walking, I don't like it. Now that one was the first video. My mind is broke. I just got off work, so you guys got to excuse me. That was my first 5K, and it was really, really cool. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. I have not done a 5K since I was in high school and ran cross country. And we had to walk. We showed up at a park in downtown San Antonio, and we had to walk to the start line because there were too many people and we couldn't get on a bus. So I was like, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna have enough steps. I can't do this. And you know, I let her know that I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. So she did hers, she went to the restroom, and then she came back the course backwards to make sure I was okay. And I did it. I finished it. And we've been doing, I don't know, I've done 3 or so. I look at the little Honda with all the flashy lights. I don't know if I like that. All the flashy lights on the Honda. I don't know. GL 1800, go Wing. And then we went to the Alamo. And I don't think I have any video on the Alamo. I might. I don't know. You want to be in this one? Welcome back, everybody. We are in San Antonio, and I'm with Debbie yet again. We're at the Alamo today, so let me flip everybody around. There we go. I never thought I'd be here, but here I am. It is definitely a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. Oh, can you go inside? I think we're gonna go inside, so I will be back in a little bit.
You might be in this video.
Might be.
You might be.
The Alamo was cool. We'll put that in now. So the Alamo is tiny little church, old church. I don't remember if I remember it was a church or if I forgot or if I never really knew. But it was cool to see the Alamo. We were in downtown anyway, so it was just a quick walk. This thing is crazy, spinning that back tire all over the place. I don't know what we got here. A lot of cops. So if you guys are not familiar with San Antonio is huge. 1.6 million people. We can say billion, I don't know. It's a lot of people. I think it's 1.6 mil. And they are doing construction absolutely everywhere. Look at this. I don't want to come back down this way. I need to avoid that. I'll do Waze coming home and see which way it wants me to do, but that's ridiculous, that traffic, just for that light. Yeah, construction is crazy. So I'm gonna be, I love that little pond, lake, whatever you want to call it. I dig it. Construction's crazy, traffic's crazy, and I am going to be learning how to ride in a big city. I've been in Columbus. Columbus is 900,000 people. You know, so I'm very comfortable around traffic. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. But you know, the little town I lived in was 42,000 people. So, see the little airplane up there? They Air Force training plane. They buzz around the house all the time, so I think it's cool. I think I'm gonna look you know, just chilling in the backyard on some of my free time, just watching the airplanes. There's a show, an air show coming, and like I'm literally just a couple minutes from the house, except if I turn around and go back through that crazy traffic. Woo, that was a big bump down. I think I'm gonna sit and watch the air show from the house. I think that'd be really cool. We have, see, there's another one right there. I don't even know if we're gonna pick that up. But yeah, we're by Randolph Air Force Base. And that's one of the training places for the Air Force. And I know that because my fiance is in the Air Force. That's not her base. I wish it was. Super close to the house. 2.2 miles, we're gonna be turning right. You guys remind me, 2.2 miles, turning right. So, you know, that's what I've been up to. It's pretty cool. I will be, oh, that diesel was smoking. That can't be good. This sign up here, and I know there should be like a break in it. Seafood barbecue. But it's seafood and big country barbecue. But I think it's funny. Seafood barbecue. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing here. Look at that thing. It's puffing the smoke. That motor's done, people. Yeah, you know, it's all the new sites that I haven't seen. I mean, you don't have an Air Force. Well, yeah, you do have bases in Ohio, but not this close. I love all the airplanes. Yep, that's a fighter jet. That's not a fighter jet. That's a prop plane. Okay, pay attention here. Pay attention to the road. Here we go. Going to get our hair did. And yeah, there's Air Force Base. Pretty cool, huh? Now we got an airplane landing. That's cool. I dig the airplane. So I'm gonna miss a lot of the roads. Like, I was not expecting to be down here. I didn't think my life was gonna go this way. So all of these roads that I normally wanted to ride, I wanted to get 555 into one last time, and that did not happen. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Figure it out, I guess. Oh, that's that jet that just took off. Is it just doing landings? Turn right. In a quarter mile, we're turning right onto Newper Road. So I'm gonna let everybody go because I need to pay attention. I don't know where I'm going. I just know that I'm going. So, hey, give me a big old thumbs up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's gonna be kind of choppy. I get that. I just got some video that I want to put up. That way it's up. And I hope you enjoy it. And you know, the Spider's doing great. 25,176, so just over 25,000 miles. Need to do a review. It's looking fantastic now that it's in a garage. I can actually clean it and it stays clean, which is awesome. So hey, on that, stay safe everybody. See you down the road.